Gang, 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 gang. Look who I'm fucking again. Underburn, underburn, underburn. Underburn, underburn, underburn. Ooh. Ah.
You guys, I am obsessing over Nicki Minaj's album Queen. Let's take a moment to style it.
Franny real quick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. Before you even start asking questions about this wig, this is just an old wild African wig that I just decided to just chop up because the ends were just thin really bad, so I just decided to chop this wig into a little ball. Today's video I will be doing a summer sweat proof makeup. It's the summertime and my oily skin just do not match. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little bit of tips and tricks that you can do so your foundation can last a little bit longer. But anyways, before we get started guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell notification button so you'll be notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Peace. Alright guys, so I already did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off by spraying my face with my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. I forgot to put a primer on, y'all, but I guess this acts as a primer, so it was fine. Then I'm just gonna set that with my airspun loose powder. I would highly recommend doing this little trick right here because it definitely helps your foundation stay on a lot longer. And it helps keep those oils from peeping through. I don't know what the hell I was doing right there. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is orange. This is in the color orange, and it's just a corrector to correct all my dark spots. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my mini blender. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put on my foundation, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro foundation and the LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm mixing those two together. Now y'all, I put way too much concealer in the foundation and the foundation came out way too light. Yeah, that's me realizing that foundation. And now I'm gonna take my CoverGirl It's Lit concealer, and then this is in deep, it's like the darkest one, and I'm just gonna highlight on all the places that I normally highlight. And I really do like this concealer as well. It has like a yellow undertone, which I really do like. And I'm going to go ahead and set that with my airspun loose powder. I didn't bake, but setting is definitely a necessity because it just helps your foundation stay on longer. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and contour with this is my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Cocoa. And I'm contouring a little bit with that, and I'm just gonna set that contour with my contour powder palette. This is from BH Cosmetics. And now I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal True Match powder, and this is in the color Classic Tan. I'm just going to set the rest of my face, and as you can see, I'm going to directly underneath that contour just so it can pop a little bit. All right, now so I'm just going to dip into my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm going to take this corally orangey color, which I think is super pretty for summer, and on brown skin tones as well. And now I'm just going to take my Master Chrome highlighter and going to highlight underneath my brows. And this is by Maybelline. I have like all the products and stuff listed down below if you guys didn't catch anything. And I'm just going to highlight in my inner corner, the bridge of my nose, chin. And I didn't put any on my cheeks or anything. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my lashes with my Maybelline Falsies mascara. Then I end up putting some of that bronzer onto my lids. I don't know why I like to do this, but I just like to do it when I'm not doing any eyeshadow. Alright, so the lashes I'm taking are by Vegas Nay. And these are in Grand Glamour, which I think these are super pretty. They're not too dramatic. I think they're super cute. And I got these from Walmart. Alright guys, so I'm going to take in this Rimmel lip pencil. And I think this was in the shade Cocoa Bean. It's just a deep brown, reddish brownish color, which I think is so pretty. Yes, I'm rocking fall lips in the summertime because I'm just obsessed with dark vampy lips. And definitely browns, like I'm obsessed with browns. Ask me. Alright, so I'm just setting my face with my setting spray once again. And that completes this look, guys. Quick and easy drugstore summer-proof makeup. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video.